Hey guys, you want to learn to ride motocross? Well, the first thing you need to know about is safety gear, and we are going to explain everything you need to know about safety gear right now. Hey guys, so you want to get involved in motocross? Great, it's a really fun sport and you need to do it safely. So today we're going to go over safety gear and the basics and the more advanced safety gear that you need in order to ride safely. One of the things that a lot of people have a misconception about with safety gear is that you have to have the full kit like Ariana's got on here. You don't need that, but there are certain things that you must have. First of all, you need long sleeves like this. Another thing that is useful to have, something like blue jeans, some durable material that in case you fell off the motorcycle that you wouldn't get abraded. Also, do not wear regular tennis shoes or anything like that, rubber-soled shoes. That is not strong enough to protect your feet. I have fallen off of a motorcycle before wearing rubber-soled shoes and my shoe flew off so fast you would not believe it. I ended up tearing up my foot really badly. So you need something like boots, like the ones that I have on now. In addition to that, you need some kind of gloves. The reason I say that is because by chance that you're going to fall off of your motorcycle, the first thing you're going to do when you try to break your fall is put your hands out, and you can really tear your hands up. Now, I'm not trying to predispose you to the idea that you're going to have an accident straight off, but it's important to prepare yourself just so that you feel more confident that you're secure and that your body is protected. So let's go over Ariana's outfit. She has a full motocross kit on now. She has long sleeves specific to motocross, gloves like we talked about earlier specific to motocross. She also has full motocross pants and boots. Another item that's really great to have is a chest protector. This is a great safety item just to protect your back and your chest if you were to fall off of your motorcycle. Another item that you must have is a helmet. So you don't have to spend a fortune on a helmet to get a decent helmet, but it's completely unsafe to ride a motorcycle without a helmet, so I'm not even going to discuss that as an option. You must have a helmet. Another great thing to have is goggles. Glasses, like sunglasses, are okay, but dust can get under those sunglasses really easily, and goggles will protect you from that. Getting debris in your eyes is extremely dangerous, and I'd strongly advise that you buy some goggles. They're not that expensive. In fact, I think you can get goggles now for under $25. So if you look on some of the internet sites, you can get these on sale all day long. So I would strongly recommend having goggles. Another thing you should consider getting is a neck brace. This is an expensive piece of kit, admittedly, but if you want to protect yourself from possible neck injury, this is the way to do it. These are available in different price ranges. This one's a really nice one, but you can get less expensive ones, but it's really smart if you're going to continue to ride to get some kind of neck protection like this. So you don't have to spend a fortune to get started in motocross riding, but you do need a few items. Get some strong shoes, get some jeans, a long sleeve shirt, some gloves, and you must have a helmet. So thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video. Our next video is going to be on operating your motorcycle, and that is a very important video. We're going to take a little bit of time explaining the details of how to get going on your motorcycle, from stopping to going. It sounds like simple, but it's really not. So hey, thanks once again for watching this video. We hope that it helped you. We look forward to producing more and seeing you guys again in the future. So if you're recording video, that's what you...
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah. Talk.
If you want to f your wife,
You should ask her nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget.